So, Mom, I was just playing guitar for you. What were you saying about the fact that I was playing guitar?
I was so pleased that you took it to such a high point.
But you gave me this training when I was a little tiny boy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, when I was a little boy, you said, let's go take guitar lessons.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yes, of course. I wanted you to have everything.
Okay, here you go, Mom. So I'll play for you now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here you go. You record me though, Mom. Remember, don't put your finger in front of the lens. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not your
We'll call
face.
this Mom's song. Thanks, Mom.
Beautiful. I did it, huh?
You did it.